Hello everyone, today we are going to see nested if-else and if-else ladder. When the series of making, when there are the series of decision making, we may have to use more than one if-else statement in the nested form. The if-else statement are nested inside if block or else block or both. The syntax of nested if-else is if condition 1 curly bracket if condition 2 curly bracket statement 1 curly bracket close else curly bracket statement 2 curly bracket close and here curly bracket close. The here opened curly bracket is closed after the one if else statement, that is here, and next else curly bracket statement 3 curly bracket and it is statement x. Now flowchart. It is when the condition 1 is false, then it goes to the statement 3 and directly goes to the statement x. If otherwise, it continues to check the statement 2. If it is true, then it is goes to statement 1, and if it is false, is go to statement 2 and statement x. If the condition is true, if condition is false, if first condition is false, then it is directly go to statement 3. If condition is true, then it checks the second condition. If it is true, then it goes to statement 1. If it is false, it goes to statement 2. Let us understand this by a program. Now here we have to input variable 1 and variable 2. Let us take a variable 1 as 10 and 2 as 20. Now here the first condition is that variable 1 is not equals to variable 2. Here our variable 1 is 10 and variable 2 is 20. Is there is 10 and 20 are equal? Then they are not equal. Then the condition here first condition is true. Then it goes to the second if condition, that is variable 1 is greater than variable 2. Is our variable 1 is greater than 2, that is 10 is greater than 20? No. Then it goes to the else part of this statement, that is if variable 2 is greater than variable 1. Then it comes out from this loop and goes directly to the gate ch. Now the output is like input the var1 value. We take it as 10. Input the variable 2 value. We take it as 20. Now first condition is what? Variable 1 is not equals to variable 2. Then this is true. Then it prints variable 1 is not equals to variable 2. Variable 1 is not equal to variable 2. Then it goes to the second. If variable 1 is greater than variable 2, it prints. Now our variable 1 is not greater than variable 2. Then it directly goes to this block, that is else block, and print variable 2 is greater than variable 1, where variable 2 is greater than variable 1. And from here it directly go to the get ch and it ends the program. Else if ladder is used to execute the code in the multiple conditions. The syntax is if condition 1 statement 1, if condition 2 statement 2, else if condition 3 statement 3, else if condition n statement n, else default statement. If now the flow chart, let us see the flow chart. If the condition is false, then it goes to the, if first condition is false, then it goes to the second condition. If it is true, then it goes to the true statement 2 and directly goes out the loop, goes out the block of if else statements. If it is false, then it again continues to test the condition 3. If it is true, it goes to statement 3 and it goes out of the loop. If condition is false, then it again checks the condition if we have given. If there is no condition and then too it is false, then it executes the default statement. Let us understand this by a program. Now here we have to check if the numbers are equal to 10, 50 and 100. Here the condition is if number is equals to 10, then number is equal to 10. If number is equal to 50, then number is 50. Let us check a input number as 20. Here our number, that is 20, is equals to 10. No, it is false. Then it checks the if else if condition. Here again 20 is equals to 50. It is also false. Then it goes to this condition, 20 is equals to 100. No, this is also false. Then it goes to this else statement and prints number is not equals to 10, 20 and 100. Here it prints as the number is not equal to 10, 50 or 100. If we take this as 10, here the number 10 is equals to 10. So this is true. It only executes this, that is number is equals to 10. And it comes out of this loop and ends the program. If we take number as 50, then this condition won't be satisfied and it goes to the second condition, that is 50 is equals to 50. Then it is true. So this statement is executed, and after executing this statement, it goes out of the block, if else block. Again, if we take the number as 100, then it checks this condition. This condition will be false. Then this it goes to the second condition. It will be also false. Then it checks the third condition, that is 100 is equals to 100. Yes, it is true. Then it executes the number is equals to 100. Afterwards, it goes out of the loop and out of the block and ends the program. So, this is the nested if else and if else ladder. Thank you.